I don't like it. I don't like it.
You gotta act like you like it.
Today we're gonna try to make our own hot sauce out of peppers.
First, you gotta introduce yourself.
Hi.
It's Cooking with Big Truck Papa.
Yeah. And,
He's Big Truck Papa.
and this is little boy truck.
Grand Dude.
That's right.
Big Truck Papa and Grand Dude.
And today we're gonna do a hot sauce, bananas mixed in it, and sweet and extra hot.
So basically, we're making banana flavored hot sauce.
They're like the Magic Chef on Sesame Street, the squirrel guy. How do you run this thing? Huh. I really don't know how to work this thing. Learning the experience. Ooh. There we go. Well, this thing falls right apart. And, well, that didn't do a very good job. That's better. Use the whole pepper and the seeds, because the seeds make it very hot and yummy. You think I'm supposed to have it in this thing? I don't know either. My doggy died and my skidder's broke. Pickup truck stuck in the mud. We'll get it out with some of this hot sauce, I'm telling you that. Ooh, that looks yummy. That was good too. Feel like the old chef on Sesame Street with the squirrels. Yeah, squirrely, squirrely, squirrely. Today you're going to make squirrely hot sauce. Yeah, I suppose we try one of these. Yep, packing some heat. Holy moly. I can feel the heat. I will feel it tomorrow, believe me. I have fire coming out of my blowhole here. Pretty hot stuff. I probably should have one more. Right now, well, it's hot and the thing is on my tongue. Yeah. I got garlic and I got a lot of
we need salt.
sage in there. Yep.
We need regular salt. Where's the measuring cup? There we go. Let's do a third of a cup of salt.
Holy crap.
No, I think
Less than that.
this is pepper. Okay, we're gonna use Himalayan pink salt.
That'll work.
Does that look like enough?
Sure. If not, we'll just add to it.
Okay.
This reminds me when I used to watch Sesame Street and we had the old chef. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna make some squirrely stew. All right.
We're gonna use apple cider vinegar to make it like more fruity, right? Is that what we're
Yeah,
doing?
we'll try it. Yeah.
Okay.
We don't know how much though. This is gonna be like toxic.
Okay, so here's the rest of the bananas.
This is salt.
Okay, there's the Himalayan pink salt going in there. Stir that guy up.
We got to get it boiling a little bit too.
So we've got sweet peppers. You got one habanero pepper. How many jalapenos in there?
You got more than one of them. Remember how many you had? That's what you
You
got
have 3
left.
habaneros?
Yeah, whatever you got left. It's gonna be warm.
Got looks like 3 jalapenos, 3 habaneros,
didn't write
3
any.
chilies.
This is a sweet one.
We got some sweet ones getting cut. Almost 1 banana.
Yeah, we'll
some
put
red
more.
onion.
We'll check that later to taste.
Some apple cider vinegar. Yeah,
It ought to be
is,
interesting, folks.
this is gonna be.
Where'd the camera go? It ought to be interesting. It's gonna be good. Actually, pretty sweet right now.
Yeah. You know what they call this? Part of the banana?
Yeah.
The devil's anus.
The what?
The devil's anus. Should I turn the big one on?
I don't want to burn your pan. That's all. Come on.
Don't hover over top of it.
Smell it.
Coughing into it.
Not coughing. it.
Whoa, that's a spicy smell right there. Like, it goes like in your nose and right to the back of your eyeball. They didn't have any bottles, so we're gonna put it in these, and then till we get bottles.
Yes.
So we'll let them rest in here anyways.
Yeah.
Like we'll let it.
Put them in for a day.
Yep.
Try it tonight. Taste it.
So
put
they're
it on.
twisty tops. We got them from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Them screens are pretty good for that. Yeah, there's 2 or 3 of them
Yeah.
in a package.
Through the elevator when he's like,
You do it because I won't be able to get back up again. Chop it.
oh, didn't tighten it. We have a
did it.
blowout.
You did it.
Got a blowout.
You tighten it up again.
Okay. Now we
Well, that
need
looks good.
Ooh. Okay, we'll fill that guy back up.
Does it smell like a banana? Not even close. That looks like salsa. That's gonna be good. It's gonna go slow too.
And you shake it a little bit. Let me silence this thing. He said it takes a lot of time.
It looked to be, you know, she didn't take us into a room, but we went around, we came back around.
We're back.
Hey guys, what's up?
It's been 2 days.
And it's Big Truck Papa
No,
and little dude. Huh?
Granddude.
Yeah, little grand dude. Big grand.
Why is it gotta be little?
Because you're my little baby boy.
So, the first batch came out real spicy, but like liquidy, and so we're gonna fix that.
We're gonna put some bananas in it.
So what do we got?
We got a little bit of stuff from the first batch that I put bananas in, and I'm gonna mix it up, but I gotta make sure we got enough heat because we lost the heat.
You want me to try the old stuff again?
Yeah,
All right.
because we gotta try the new stuff.
Okay.
To see how much stuff we gotta
The
put in.
old stuff.
Spicy.
It's spicy. The spice lingers in that one.
Yeah,
The new stuff, that's actually really good.
it is. I put vanilla and stuff in it too at the end of it. I don't think
All right.
I'd want to add too much more banana than that. I think of it.
Okay, so while we were gone, he was experimenting and he added more banana to it, made it more creamy. Did you add the vanilla to that? So what do we got in that? We have peppers,
Peppers.
apple cider vinegar.
Yep.
Did you put vanilla in that?
A little bit.
A little bit of vanilla, like a little,
Yeah, just to sweeten it up a little bit.
and
And we haven't got any bananas in it yet. We're
So-
doing bananas to finish up the product.
all right, so here we go. Banana, let's go.
Alrighty, we want to try. Let's try this a little bit first.
All right, we're just gonna dump
Put
it
a
into
little-
the experiment.
I don't want too much. Mix it up. Tastes a little watery down.
Watery.
Taste it.
Okay, so
You want more banana tasting.
now it's a little, not as creamy, but actually it's actually pretty good consistency. Look at that.
Yeah, maybe we'll go with.
I don't know if you can see that, but like, there it is.
And this is very full of peppers and all kinds of stuff.
All right, so
So what do you think?
that tastes like a lot of banana. It's good though. That's perfect, actually, I think.
Yeah. So we should add that and then finish that one off with some banana.
Yeah, however we make it like that, let's do that.
Alrighty.
So we gotta tell them what you're doing.
I'm pouring the pouring it in the bucket.
How many bananas are we in this?
7 bananas.
7 bananas.
Yeah. That's why it was creamy.
7 bananas.
Might not even need to use that. Make sure the cover's on tight because it make a mess and they'll throw me out of the house. It looks good. I just need the heat in it because I took the heat out of it with all the creamy bananas.
Okay, here we go. The faucet's still on.
Think you need another banana?
No, I think it's good.
He thinks it's good.
Let's have, we need a taste tester. Anybody want to volunteer from the audience? Anybody?
Don't come running all at once. I think it's got a lot of spice in it right now.
One volunteer, anybody? Like free taste test. We have a whole studio audience behind you. You can't even see them.
Oh, Big Bell!
That will do it.
Oh, Valerie, come on up. Here we go.
Don't make any faces if it's too hot.
No, make faces. Make all the faces you want.
Oh, yummy. It's a bit warm, but it's yummy.
Yeah?
More creamier than, it's more powerful than the
it's-
other one.
Yeah, it's got some heat in it.
Yep.
I think it's got good heat though. Like it's the banana and then heat.
So you know what we need to do? We need
True.
to take the one out of the refrigerator and put it in there. So that one that I got in my little squeezy thing.
You explain that
It's not
perfectly.
bad.
We'll
Hold
do
on.
that.
So this one was, that we made was a little creamy and
A little too creamy.
yeah, I think we took too much of the heat out of it
We had to saw that nozzle down 3 times to get it out.
because it had chunks in it. So I figured I would add this to that.
I would say, first of all, shout out to the Dollar Tree for this thing. We're gonna dump this guy
That one.
in there. See how creamy that is?
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Boom. Spice her up a little bit. That's enough spice in that. We don't have to worry about it.
You have to come up with your own catchphrase.
Yeah, I can't do.
Nope, don't say that. It's trademarked. Can't say that.
I can say, "Have a great day."
Yeah.
I'm not gonna put it in the blender. I don't need it.
There you go. Shake it up.
Shake, shake, shake.
This sounds kind of gross.
Shake, shake, shake. Give it a banana.
So where are we gonna put this on?
A banana. Yep. That's got some spice.
We're just mixing all the experiments into one.
Yep. It's all done. So, think we need to cut it? Anything? What do you think, there, Bubba?
I think it's perfect.
All right.
Looks
There
great.
you go. We'll try this one, and we'll put it on a banana.
So, all right. So this is Big Truck Papa's first ever hot sauce.
Grab a plate, and we'll put some
Oh,
on the
we're gonna
banana.
plate it. Okay, we're gonna
We're
plate
gonna
it.
plate it.
Okay. Chop it up and drizzle on it.
Oh yeah.
This is for your Super Bowl snack right here.
Yep.
Big
So
Truck Papa.
I learned this on the Food Channel. So we'll drizzle it along
go.
like that.
Yep. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah. Then you go
Oh, smiley face. Six-eyed smiley face. All right, here we go.
We'll dip it in the sauce.
Dip it in a little there. Okay,
What do you think? Let's go.
Boop. Oh, mine down. Here we go. Oh, you get a little dip there, huh?
There we go. Ready?
Here we go.
Look creamy.
Tastes like banana and hot sauce.
Yeah, it does. Amazing.
It's actually really good. You just give that a dip and go to town.
All right. See, that's enough heat for you. No, I'm a heat addict. I would take and dump. That's good because I want people to eat it. I don't want to say, "Oh, Papa, you made it too hot."
I'm gonna get one of them. Val already tried it, so it's Heather's turn. Oh, hurry up!
Gotta
I'm
try with a
dripping.
banana.
Here I come to the studio audience. There you go.
Come on, baby.
It's a bit warm.
No.
I'm a little scared, honestly.
It's not that bad.
Chew the banana.
It's not that bad to you because you like it.
No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
You gotta act like you like it.
I don't like it.
She is not a hot sauce fan, ladies and
Not a
gentlemen.
hot sauce girl.
I think it's overwhelming positive reviews for this. So
One good one and one good one.
overwhelming. Well, there you have it. There's our first batch of banana hot sauce. Yeah, I think we did good. All right.
We'll try it out on the Super Bowl
Yep.
game.
You know, check out Big Truck Papa on TikTok, and you'll see the results.
Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.
Now we gotta just look at the camera for a second, so I can do a. Okay, good.
Popping tops of his can. Big Truck Papa is the man. Grilling, drinking, having fun. Life's a party